Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Pratisha Agarwal and this is part 7 of seating arrangement. Students, this video is going to be very helpful for you, so stay tuned till the end of the video, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now let's quickly start the video. Students, this question came in IBPS PO, and in this question we are going to deal with two parameters. The first parameter is the number of people and second parameter is the number of flowers they are having. So let's see how to solve these type of questions. Six persons sit around a circular table facing towards the center. All of them have different number of flowers, there's 29, 14, 36, 43, 51 and 47. So these are the number of flowers, different number of flowers these all these people are having. One person sits between M and R who have 14 flowers. So there is one person between M and R and the person R is having 14 flowers. So let's consider the first case. In this M is here at this position. Let's consider the anti-clockwise direction. So in the anti-clockwise direction, one person is there between M and R. So R will be placed here with 14 flowers at this position in case number 1. In case number 2, M is at the same position as in case number 1, but here we are going to consider the clockwise direction. So, considering the clockwise direction, R will come here at this position with 14 flowers because there is one person between M and R. Now, let's see what next is given. Two persons sit between the one who have 29 flowers and M. So, there are two people between M and the one who is having 29 flowers. So in case number 1, again considering anti-clockwise direction, count with me students 1, 2. So these are the two people. So I am going to place the one with having 29 flowers here at this position which is just opposite to M. Okay. Now in case number 2, considering clockwise direction, again the person with 29 flowers will be placed here at this position just opposite to M. Okay, see, you can see two people are there between M and the person who is having 29 flowers. Let's see what next is given. S sits immediate left of A, who doesn't sit adjacent to the one who have 29 flowers. Okay, so in case number 1, A will not come here at this position because A is not sitting adjacent to the one who is having 29 flowers. So A will be placed here at this position. Okay, now since S is to the immediate left of A means S will be placed here at this position in case number 1. Now in case number 2, A will not come here at this position. So either A will come here or A will have 29 flowers. So let's see what is given next. A doesn't have 29 flowers. So let me underline this line for you. Underline this statement for you. So A doesn't have 29 flowers means A will not come here and we cannot place A here at this position because then we have no place to we have no place vacant to place S. Yes, because if we place A here, then to the adjacent left of A already M has occupied that position. So our case number 2 is wrong. I hope you understood this why case number 2 is wrong because we have no place to place A and S according to the given condition. Okay. S have more flowers than M and the difference between the number of flowers of both of them is 15. So these are the number of flowers which we are having. We have to see the pairs. The difference between those two numbers should be 15. So see 29 minus 14 is also 15 but we cannot consider this pair. Why? Because R is already having 14 flowers. Okay. So see 36 and 51. 51 minus 36 is also 15. We can consider this pair and S is having more number of flowers means S is having more number of flowers than M, which means S will be having 51 flowers. Okay, and M will be having 36 flowers. And the difference between the number of flowers between M and S is also 15. I hope this is clear to everyone. Now next it is given O neither have 29 flowers not nor 43 flowers. Means we cannot place O here because O is not having 29 flowers. So we have to place O here at this position. Now O is not having 29 flowers nor 43 flowers. So O will be having 47 number of flowers. Okay. Now out of the given number of flowers, only 43 is left. So A will be having 43 flowers. I've told you this right now. H is one of the persons, so 29 H will be having 29 flowers. And A, as I have told you earlier, will be having 43 number of flowers. I hope this sitting arrangement is clear to everyone. Okay? Although it was not given that A was having 43 flowers, but only 43 number or the 43 number of flowers was left to be placed. So we have given A 43 flowers. This is how these type of seating arrangement works. Now let's see the questions. Who among the following have 29 flowers? So from this sitting arrangement, you can see that H is having 29 number of flowers. So the answer should be option number B. Let's check our answer. We got the correct answer. Now let's move on to the next question. How many persons sit between the one who is having 43 flowers and H? Okay, so 43 flowers A is having and H. Okay, between A and H. First, we'll consider the clockwise direction. So, if we consider clockwise direction, only one person is sitting between A and H. Now, and if we consider anti-clockwise direction, three people are sitting between A and H. So, either one or three people are sitting between A and H. So, the answer should be option number E, either 3 or 1, because we don't know in which direction they are asking. So the answer should be option number E. Let's check our answer. See, we got the correct answer again. Let's move on to the next question. Which of the following combination is correct? So S 36, no, S is having 51 flowers, A 47, A is having 43 flowers, H 29. See, H is having 29 flowers. So this option number C is correct. Let's see the answer. So we got the correct answer again. This is the next question, students. Who among the following sits just right of the one who have 36 flowers? So M is having 36 flowers and just right to M is O, the one who is having 47 flowers. So the answer should be option number A, that is O. Let's check the answer. See, we got the correct answer again. So students, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. This is the question which is from IVPSPO. If you have any doubt, you can comment me. I'll try to solve it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Thank you.